Yo, what's up guys? Today is January 9th, 2026. Today is Friday, last day of the week. I ended up taking 2 trades today, so let's get over it. Okay, so coming today, as you guys can see, we ended up sweeping that high, and now we are trading inside this bullish for value up, the one we ended up like making a strong closure. I mean, we didn't inverse it, but that doesn't make me instantly bullish. I mean, if you look at the 4-hour, we have all this low resistance liquidity to grab in here. I mean, higher time frame, low resistance liquidity. We have this 4-hour field fair value gap in here, also this swing low here, and also previous day's low, as we have this resistance liquidity too. So okay, we ended up moving again inside this 4-hour fair value gap, raise for value up, and sweeping this low. So we swept, sorry, that high. We ended up sweeping that internal high inside that bearish for our fair value gap. So if we are bearish, I want to see a fair value gap get open as this 50-minute fair value gap. So we ended up opening this 50-minute fair value gap and opening here 9:30, instantly drop lower and grab the London lows in here. Then we make a strong move higher in here. So I mean, there's this long in here opportunity. Ended up sweeping these London lows, and you could have aimed like that 50-minute fair value up with that momentum. You will have easily get GP today, but I was not on the charts until we ended up hitting this 50-minute fair value up. So, and I was strongly bearish today, so I was looking to hit this 50-minute fair value up and continue the rotation back lower. Even though we made this SMT in here, I mean, if we are bearish, we are not going to hold this SMT, so I'm targeting this low as more liquidity, and Asia PM previous day's low, and this swing low, and this 4-hour fair value up. So we ended up trading back inside that 50-minute fair value up, and so we ended up making this, opening this 5-minute fair value up in here. So if we are going to fail to go lower, we are probably going to respect this 5-minute and continue higher, maybe aiming for this high, but in my mind that was the last option price was going to do. So I was looking to this fair value up to get and run through, and we ended up making that happen. So we ended up closing below that 5-minute fair value up with a strong displacement. Look at this fucking candle, 73-point candle. So that's displacement. So I ended up entering my position. Practically aiming for something like grab about those targets. So what ended up happening? We ended up making these weird moves inside this area. If price is that clear, we are probably going to make this wick in here, then keep moving lower. So we made this deep retreat in here. As you guys can see, we were still protected by this 1-minute order block, which is my stop loss. And once we made that swing high in here, I trailed my stop on that high, as we ended up inversing this 1-minute fair value up. And if we are truly bearish, we are probably just going to rip. That's what I was looking for. So I was looking for price to keep moving, and we just engineered this low resistance liquidity and this swing low. So I trailed my stop in here, and we got so there was news at 10. Okay, so as you guys can see, we ended up getting something like top rated, and then we keep moving lower, and then we ended up reversing again, and now we are just chopping in here. I mean, this price action this week is been so rough for me. I ended up taking 3 losses. I mean, this shit's so crazy, but it is what it is. I mean, I really like this trade, so I mean, there's nothing wrong with losing. I mean, I just got top ticket out by 10 AM news, and then we ended up making this move, which is what I was looking for. So I will have got break even, but I unfortunately got ticket out, swept, and yeah, I mean, this is my trade idea for today. It ended up failing, so there's nothing I can do. I'm happy about taking that trade. That was what I really thought price was going to do. So yeah, I mean, I don't really care about taking the loss, and yeah, see you next week. Probably, yeah. I mean, it's nothing else for me this week. I mean, I'm fucking tired of it. So yeah, see you guys next week.